Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start the work on Countdown Book 2 as we were doing unit 1 of this book. So we were on page number 6 yesterday. Today we are going to start the new page 7 page. So for that what you have to do, you have to write the date like this on the top left side 03-06-2020, and you will write classwork in the middle C.W, and after that you will write WED WAD NES NES DY Wednesday on the top right side, right? The page is prepared. So now we are going to start this page. Remembering 100 में आपकी वैल्यूज़ कैसे लिखते हैं वो हमने पढ़ना है इस पेज पे. This one strip is of 10 blocks, right? Let's count these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? So we can say this: there are 9 strips of 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it means there are 9 tens here, right? And how many ones are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 ones are here. 9 tens means 90, because 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90, these are equal to 90. So we can say 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. And they are saying that when we will add one more block in it, जब हम उसे अंदर एक और ब्लॉक ऐड करते हैं तो वो 100 बन जाता है. इसी तरह 10 स्ट्रिप्स हैं और 10 स्ट्रिप्स 10 टाइम्स हैं, ठीक है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. तो 10 स्ट्रिप 10 टाइम्स 100 के बराबर बनती है, ठीक? अब टेंस में 10 स्ट्रिप्स कहलाएंगी तो 10 लिखेंगे, 10 टेंस, और वंस में कुछ भी नहीं है तो 0 आएगा. 10 टेंस और 0 वंस को जब ऐड करेंगे तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? 100. फॉर एग्जांपल आदित्य हैज़ 10 टेंस एंड 0 वंस. 10 टेंस एंड 0 वंस इज इक्वल टू 100. सो 100 पूरा बनता है, उसको स्पेलिंग में ऐसे लिखते हैं. आदिल राइट्स 100 इन कॉलम्स लाइक दिस. आदिल ने हंड्रेड्स को कॉलम कैसे लिख के दिखाया? He has written 100 like this. He has written 100 here and he has placed the values on it, ones, tens and hundreds. So he has also placed the values of 100 in abacus. So we are going to compare this with this. Once there is nothing, so nothing is bead is drawn here. In tens place there is nothing, so there is nothing drawn here. In hundreds place there is ones, so he has drawn one bead here. So it is equal to 1. There is nothing here, so 0 should be written here. There is nothing here, so 0 should be written here. 100, it is equal to 100. Come to the next page. Let's start the next page. First of all, prepare the page. Write date here on the top left side like this: 03-06-2020. Write classwork in the middle C.W and the day here on the top right side, Wednesday, right? Let's start this page. Hundreds, tens and ones. As we have already learned about these hundreds, tens and ones on previous page. So these 10 strips, when we will combine them, we will have one block like this. So it is equal to 100. जब ये 10 स्ट्रिप्स 10 की ऐड कर दें और जोड़ दें तो ये हमारे पास पूरा एक ब्लॉक बनता है, वो 100 के बराबर है. अगर हमारे पास 1 ब्लॉक है पूरा तो 100, अगर 2 ब्लॉक्स हैं तो 200 कंसिडर किया जाएगा, 3 होंगे तो 300. इसी तरह हम लोग इनकी हेल्प से अब सॉल्व करते हैं पार्ट ए. पार्ट ए इज ऑलरेडी सॉल्व फॉर यू, राइट? नाउ लुक एट पार्ट ए. हियर इज hundreds, tens and 3 blocks. So 100, 10, 11, 12, 13, it is equal to 113. They have written here, and now this number is placed here in their respective values. Look at this. वंस प्लेस पे 3 है तो 3 बीड्स यहाँ ड्रॉ कर दिए. वंस के नीचे टेंस और हंड्रेड्स. टेंस के नीचे 1 है और टेंस के नीचे 1 बीड ड्रॉ. हंड्रेड्स के नीचे 1 है तो 100 के नीचे 1 बीड्स ड्रॉ किया. नाउ लेट्स काउंट दीज एंड सॉल्व दिस लाइक दैट. 110, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 137 is the number. So 7 should be written here in ones place, 3 should be written here in tens place, and 1 should be written here. Let's draw 7 beads in ones place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's draw 3 beads in tens place. 1 2 3. Let's draw 1 bead here in hundreds place. Let's do the next part. Next part is C part. 100, 200, 10, 20, 11, 12. So 212 is the answer. We are putting this 212 here लाइक दिस, 2 इधर आया, 10 वंस के नीचे, 1 टेंस के नीचे और 2 हंड्रेड्स के नीचे. So 2 ones we are drawing 2 beads here, for 1 tens we are drawing 1 bead here, for 2 hundreds we are drawing 2 beads here. It means 212. Let's start the next part. D part, 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 41. 241. So let's write here also 142, or we can say 241. 1 in ones place there is 1, so we will draw 1 bead here. In tens place there is 4, we will draw 4 beads here in tens place, right? And there is 2 here in hundreds place, we will draw 2 beads. Let's do the next part, part number E. There are 3 blocks, right? So we are counting like this: 100, 200, 300, 310, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So they are 318. I am writing 318 here, right? So this is written here like this. In ones place there is 8, we are drawing 8 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Now draw 1 bead in tens place and 3 beads in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3. So this page is done. I hope you understand this page. So we will continue our next work tomorrow, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.